Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have in my shop today this wonderful, cute little 2015 Toyota Prius C. And this one is 5 years old, but already managed to drive 90,000 miles. So the owner called and said, hey, I would like to bring it for a 90,000 miles service. So of course I'm trying to do it per the book, following Toyota's recommendations, which means you are doing engine oil, you are replacing cabin air filter, except that was brand new so I didn't. You are replacing engine air filter, you are checking the driver's floor mat, you are inspecting and topping all the fluids. But considering what Toyota says, that the spark plugs and the hybrid transaxle fluid is recommended 120. The fact what I saw in the past at the dealer, I recommended to this owner to also replace that hybrid transmission fluid. I totally have no problem waiting with the spark plugs until 120, but what I saw in the past, I recommended that fluid today at the 90. Now I want to show you in this video the quality of the fluid which will come out, and that's all I can do. I cannot film this for you, how it's done, how it's replaced, because the customer is waiting and there's no time for that. So this will be only sharing the facts, showing you the quality of the fluid, and you will make your own judgment if you agree with me that it's good to replace it sooner, or I should have waited until 120,000 miles. And I really in the detail clean this sketching pan so we don't have any debris from the previous fluids. So let's go and do that. You are looking underneath the vehicle right with me. This is engine oil pan, and here is that transaxle. If you look right here, this will be a drain plug. It's 10mm hex. But first, as you always point out, we have to make sure we are able to undo the filler plug. Let's see how this drain plug is tied. Oh yeah. It was tight, but not too much, and you will have a great view. It's about this light here. Great view of that fluid coming out. Oh yeah, and you see the color. It's definitely dark, and I feel very good about recommending this done at 90,000 miles. Trust me, that completely just confirms what I kept seeing in the past at the dealer. Here maybe some quick close-up on that drain opening. Here you will finally see what came out. This is what belongs in, and this is what came out. So in my opinion, if this vehicle was mine, I will not wait for, look at it, yeah, I will not wait for 120,000 miles. I will definitely start somewhere as the owner. I will either do 60,000 miles or at least 80. This is not bad, this fluid. I don't think it caused any damages to that hybrid transmission, but I like on my own vehicles to replace these fluids when they are in better shape, that's for sure. So I wanted to really quickly share this condition of that ATF with you. Please share your own experience and opinions when this should be done. If I made a mistake not waiting for that 120 and doing it at 90, or you will actually agree and you will take this recommendation. I gotta run, the customer's waiting, so that's all I can do in this video, but make sure you are subscribed because I have a lot of coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a nice weekend, my friend.